Okay, now that the seagulls have stopped having conversations, I can now open the windows and speak to you guys because I literally can't function without fresh air. It is a Tuesday morning and I'm getting ready to go to Winter Wonderland. In the lead up to Christmas, I like to go to multiple Winter Wonderlands. Like, as I'm saying this, they decided to go quack quack, like what is this, please. Since I'm feeling festive and it's December, I want to get my nails done. You have to look Decembery to feel Decembery, if you see what I mean. So I have two designs in mind. I'm hesitant. Since I do them at home myself, I'll show you now what I mean. I really like this one. I have the gel polish color and everything. It's just the nail tip one that I don't have. Ooh, I also like this one here. I'm really feeling this one. I have the nail polish for this, so it shouldn't be a problem. Either the almond shape or this shape. Now, there's this Christmas shop. They've just recently opened. It's not a British brand. It seems Norwegian. It's kind of hard to like grasp the name. If I end up going and the name ends up being not Norwegian and an easy name, then it's just my Norwegian brain, to be honest. I've had a delivery this morning and quite happy, to be honest. I squealed again, squealing me. Oh, let me show you. My curtains have finally arrived. Look how cute this looks. I like that it comes in two, so it's a 2-pack multi-functional hanging curtain. It's a mixture between cotton and linen. There's no polyester in there, none of that nasty stuff. I'm really not into that, but hey, everyone has their preference and there's nothing wrong with that. Can't wait to see how they turn out in my room, but it looks so good. I mean, look at that, it's so nice. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but yeah, I'm really pleased with these. So that's that, and I actually want to do a little Christmas shop, so yeah, let's go.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star, shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that everything is gold, the children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the truth
tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within, 'cause Christmas time is here. Playing in the snow, a merry game they play, chasing each other.
Spending the week with my best friend in London honestly was a much needed trip. We had so much fun, and just taking one of my best friend's daughter, she's like a year old, and it was her first time there in Winter Wonderland, and she literally loved it. Like, she came out of her pram sleeping, and then she was just like, what is this? Where am I? And then she started screaming and just dancing and just jumping up and down. It was the cutest thing ever. I was like, yep, that's my soulmate, my baby soulmate. She's so cute. The majority of like my girlfriends are born in December, and we're all crazy about Christmas and just the festive season. I'm so glad they're just as crazy as I am. Yes, I forgot to show you this, but I bought myself a festive Christmas advent calendar. These are my favourite. I don't know why, but I'm just obsessed with them. And I found a Bueno one, and I was like, yes, you are going to be the advent calendar of the year. I hope you bought your own advent calendars, and if you have, I'd like to hear what type of advent calendar you bought this year. And I also came home to a delivery, and this is my first wild deodorant, like natural deodorant. I've never tried this before. If any of you guys have tried this, please let me know if it's worked with you, and is it as effective as they say it is. A big fan of natural things, like natural food, natural human things basically. I got mine in black. They had like other colours, but I think every now and then they change their designs. But yeah, it comes in a box like this, so as soon as you open it, it shows you the container that you've bought, and then the little deodorant refill. So this little cute thing here. It smells amazing, by the way. I bought mine in Cherry Blossom. The reason why I switched to natural deodorants is because apparently I have such a tongue twister with this word. Antiperspirant deodorants are really bad for you. They block out the sweat that your body is trying to get rid of, and they say either getting a deodorant or a dry roll-on is best. Having a spray deodorant is even worse, because you're spraying, think about it, like you're spraying chemicals underneath in the most sensitive area, and it's just going straight into your bloodstream, I think, or veins, I think. I'm not sure which one, but it's really toxic. So I had to switch to natural deodorants. You can have it customized, like you can have your name written at the back, but what you do is you take off the lid, which I'm finding difficult to open, bear with me. There you go. And then you use the little deodorant refill that comes with it, and you basically, and then you place it into the deodorant bottle. It's just like a normal deodorant where you just twist it around to bring up the deodorant. Apparently, I've heard people say that you have to get refills, more than one refill in a month, as it does tend to run out quickly. So yeah, natural deodorant all the way, guys. It's vegan friendly and aluminium free, which is what you need really. It's good for you, and it's good for the planet, which is really important for me. But yeah guys, thank you so much for spending time with me, and I hope to catch you in the next vlog, which will be Vlogmas 2. Bye!